let's learn a little bit more about encryption. For this, I'm going to be calling up my good friend Grubles. He's a bit of an OG in the Bitcoin space, so he has a few tricks up his sleeve on how to stay anonymous. So let's give him a ring.
Hey Drew, nice phone. Let's learn some encryption. What does it mean to encrypt data? The official dictionary definition reads, to change information from one form to another, especially to hide its meaning. Well, that's great, but what does this look like? Imagine you are receiving a letter with what seems to have a random assortment of letters. However, you know the key to crack the code. To the person that does not have the key for the message, the letter is garbage, as the letter looks like nonsense. For the person who has the key to the message, the letter makes total sense. This is a form of encryption. This form of encryption is great, but easily crackable, especially when we start using powerful computers. This is where ciphers come into play. Public key encryption uses both the public key and private key to mathematically match them together. Someone can send a message encrypted with the public key, which is then decrypted by the recipient, using the matching private key. So when sharing encrypted messages with a party, it is absolutely critical that you share the proper keys, otherwise the information will be lost in encryption forever. Thanks, Drew. Catch you later on the time chain.
Awesome. Thanks, Grubles. It was great talking to you.